Want to elevate your YouTube live streams from good to absolutely stunning, all powered by your trusty Nikon D5600 and your iPhone? Today, we're diving deep into how to achieve professional-looking live streams on YouTube using your Nikon D5600 and your iPhone. Forget grainy phone camera footage. We're bringing DSLR quality to your live broadcasts. First, let's get our gear together. You'll need your Nikon D5600, your iPhone, a reliable tripod for stable shots, and crucially, an HDMI to USB-C capture device. This little gadget is the bridge between your camera's clean HDMI output and your iPhone's input, allowing your phone to recognize the camera as a video source. Next, connect your Nikon D5600. Make sure your camera is powered on and set for optimal video recording for the D5600. You'll want to access the playback menu. Then go to HDMI settings, select output movie settings and choose live view. This ensures you get a clean, uncompressed feed from your camera. Now, let's get your iPhone ready. You'll need a mobile app that can accept an external camera feed. Popular choices include Filmic Pro or LumaFusion, which offer advanced control over your video. Once you've downloaded and opened your chosen app, connect the HDMI output of your Nikon D5600 to the capture device, and then connect that device to your iPhone using the appropriate cable. Your app should now recognize your camera's feed. Finally, head over to your YouTube app and tap the create icon to start a live stream. In the live stream setup, you'll be able to select your external camera input, which should now appear as an option. Adjust your framing and audio levels within your chosen mobile app, and you're ready to go live with professional quality visuals from your Nikon D5600, streamed right from your iPhone.